Music has a unique way of touching hearts, inspiring faith, and drawing people closer to God. The For His Ministry, a group of singers united by one purpose, to glorify God through music and share the saving message of Jesus Christ. Though we come from different churches and backgrounds, we have been brought together as employees of Adventist Hospital Davao. What began as a shared passion for singing has grown into a ministry dedicated to spreading hope, faith, and truth through song. For the past 4 years, God has opened many doors for us to minister in churches, special programs, evangelistic meetings, and community events. Wherever He leads, we seek to use our voices as instruments of worship and witnesses of His love. Our mission is simple: to proclaim the truth found in Jesus Christ, encourage believers, and reach hearts with the message of salvation.
Kami ang For His Ministry singers from Adventist Hospital Davao.
Singing for His glory,
serving for His purpose,
Proclaiming His truth in Jesus' name.
usa ka tingog, usa ka ebanghelyo.
usa ka tingog, usa ka ebanghelyo.
Usa ka tingog, usa ka ebanghelyo.
Lalo na to ang kaluwasan.
Jesus, nagtawa ka natong tanan sa pagsangyaw sa tibok kalibutan. Ang maayong balita o kamatuoran, gugma ni Jesus maurag yun ang dalan. Sa katingon, usa ka ebanghelyo, nag-awit sa gugma ni Kristo. Sa tanang nasod o kaliwatan, ipahibalo na to ang kaluwasan. Usa ka tingog, usa ka ebanghelyo, sa pagsawag sa gugma ni Kristo. Hangtod ngadto sa tumoy sa kalibutan, si Jesus lamang ang kamatuoran. Gitawag sa pagampo ang tanan, aron makita sa tibok kalibutan. Sa paglakaw nato sa panaghiusa, dito sa langit makingitanan kita. Usa ka tingog, usa ka ebanghelyo, nag-awit
kahibalo na